What's up guys, and welcome back to the channel. In today's video we're going to be playing with the GTR. We have a few things going on today and then something coming tomorrow, which I'm really excited about doing in today's video. But today we're going to be talking a little bit about maintenance on the Nissan GTR. I've made videos in the past going over like all the maintenance and everything like that. Today's video we're just going to do something real quick. I need to clean the air filters. I think it's been a year since I've cleaned them, which is around 4,000 or 5,000 miles. They are really big air filters, so that's not like that's a crazy amount of time or anything. But I can't 100% remember the last time I cleaned them, so I think I might as well go ahead and do that, which means I got to strip the front bumper off the car. So maintaining the GTR honestly has been very cheap to do. It's been nothing out of the ordinary. That's probably one of the biggest questions I get with owning and kind of daily driving this car. People think this is a very, very expensive car to keep on the road. Honestly, it's nothing too crazy. Man, I definitely love ripping this car. It sounds so epic. I've seen a lot of comments and messages lately. A lot of you guys have been sending me pictures of GTRs that you just bought and things like that, and I love seeing that. I love seeing people work their butts off and then buy their dream car, because owning this car is the most fun car I've ever owned, and I'm not gonna have a garage without a GTR. The mods and everything. I cannot say enough good things about this car. As we pass a sweet Rolls Royce in there. Wow. Some nice cars around today. As far as another update, I'm at 38,000 miles. I hit that over the other weekend. And knock on leather, it has been bulletproof. As I smack a bug. But yeah, the GTR's been reliable, bulletproof. I don't abuse it in a bad way, but I beat on it a little bit. You know, I put it through its paces. It is a purpose-built race car, so it can handle it. Man, this car is just wicked. Everything about it. Alright, last acceleration and then we'll get home. So yeah, one thing about not actually daily driving this car, every time I get in it, it like blows me away with how fast it really is. Oh man, I'm sweating. I need the AC on now. Anyways, now let's get this bumper off and start working on this car. All right, so we have made it to my destination. Specifically, I needed my best buddy to help me out with today's mod. Of course, or not even mod, maintenance. Maddie, I think, hasn't been in a video in a while, so she's gonna help me get the bumper off and clean the air filters, and I think she's gonna do a great job helping. So with that said, I just need to get the front end up on some cinder blocks. There's like, I don't even know, 20 bolts underneath the bumper and then a few in the wheel wells and on the top. GTR, they said. It'll be easy when you maintain it. But here we go, we got the bumper off. Maddie, you did such a good job helping me. You weren't there for any of the bolts, but at least you helped me get it off. But bumper off, and I love that I used the tape, so we got no scratches. And actually, if we look over here, I scratched up the tape a little bit, so always do that before you're taking a bumper off, just makes it a lot safer. So then a quick look at the air filters. They don't look horrible. You can see there's definitely some darkness to them. Yeah, it's definitely due for some changing. You can see this side is much darker than on this side. And I get a lot of comments of people asking if these have any issues with water, because the air filter sits right here. The air is going into the grill right here, which is right here, and basically that's where all the air is getting sucked into. But this is the exact location where the stock ones are connected. The stock boxes are right there, and the outlet is, or the inlet I should say, is right here. But no issues with water or anything. You can also see the massive intercooler, which is super sick to see. But for those of you who have done any type of air filter cleaning with the K&N air filters, as I sweat because it is 90 degrees out, so humid in North Carolina right now, But these are very simple. I'm just gonna use the cleaning kit, and then that'll get all the dirt off of it, and then we will oil them up and put them back on. All right, so with the air filters now taken off of the GTR, the way you clean them is pretty straightforward. So this is some air filter cleaner right here, and AEM and K&N, they're actually the same company. So it's literally the same stuff as the K&N stuff. So now we're gonna take just a quick look again at the filter. You can definitely see the darkness in them. Not the worst things, like I said, but you know, it's time. It's probably been over a year. So I'm also gonna do a pass with the actual K&N brand. This is a little bit stronger of a cleaner than the AEM one, and these are a little bit dirtier than I thought. All right, scratch what I said about all the cleaners being exactly the same. The K&N branded one definitely did a better job. Look how white we got the air filter. So that's what you're looking for. This is white cotton. It was really pink and brown before, even with just the other stuff. But now we got a lot of the dirt out of them, nice and clean. Just like that, we got nice, freshly cleaned air filters in the GTR, looking really good. Only took like an hour or so to actually dry in the sunlight. The temperature definitely heated up and dried it out. And then a light dusting of the oil, so they are good to go. But now this is gonna be the world's fastest bumper reinstall for a GTR, and then it is on to getting this thing detailed. All right, there we go. GTR bumper all back together. That kind of is the hardest thing to maintain on the GTR, just because you gotta take that out just to do these air filters. When I did have these smaller intakes, those air filters were actually a lot smaller than these 3.5 or 3 inch, I can't even remember what they are. This piece you just pop off and you can actually get the filters out through here. But these are much larger air filters, so we gotta take it all off. And as you can see, this thing is filthy, so let's get to the house and give the GTR a proper detail. All right guys, on to the next day, part 2 of today's video. We got HBI Auto Detail here coming in for a mobile detail on the GTR. Seriously, I'll have their guys' information all in the description below. Check them out. If you want mobile detailing, they have car sales, pretty much everything you can think of that has to do with awesome cars, these guys will hook it up. So check out all of their information. They're on Facebook and Instagram. Check out their website, and they can come to your house or wherever and get your car looking good. As you guys saw, the GTR kind of daily driven, so it's a little dirty. Yeah, not exactly the cleanest looking car right now, but Gage is here hooking it up today, getting this thing super clean. And yeah, let's roll some super cinematics and get this dirty GTR looking perfect. Alright guys, so he is wrapping up the detail. Car is looking perfect. It was so bad before, and especially with the ceramic coating, I mean, everything just glistens so well, knocking out the door jambs. So if you guys want any mobile detailing or any other awesome services that HBI Auto Detail and their other companies do, definitely contact them. A lot of the Charlotte area, even up to Winston-Salem, Greensboro. So they cover a lot of North Carolina, which is really awesome. Alright guys, So that is going to wrap it up for today's video. I hope you enjoyed some different maintenance things going on for the Supra. And shout out again to HBI Auto Detail for coming to the house and getting the GTR looking perfect. It has not been this clean in about a year. And oh my gosh, everything. The wheels are done, the calipers, the tires, the paintwork is perfect looking glass. The interior leather and everything's gonna wipe down. Like, dang, this thing is clean. So I'll have all their information. But I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. Give it a thumbs up, smash that subscribe button, and I'll see you guys next video.